Step into the 2011 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck grade. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, pass-through rear seat, adjustable steering wheel and power windows. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.